Split Splat by Amy Gibson and illustrated by Steve Jockman. Look at the cover, children. There's a little girl with her dog and mouse playing in the rain. I sing a little rain song, a simple song, a plain song. Pitter patter tip tap on the window pane song. Pip 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 pip, drippy drop drop drip. Tip tap pit pat pitter patter split splat. These are all the sounds of the rainy season. Splishy, sploshy, wishy, washy, drip, drip, drop. I sing a little mud song, a muddle song, a puddle song. Look at them jumping in the muddy puddles, children. A no shoes, toes ooze, slip, slap, and thud song. She's taken off her gumboots, and there she is in that muddy puddle. Splish, sploosh, squash, squoosh, oochie, sploochy, woochy, whoosh. Slip, slop, kerplop. Looks like they're having a great time in the rain and mud. Mucka, mucka, chucka, waka, splish, splash, sploosh. Would you like to do that too? Oh, and then the sun came out. I sing a little sun song, a fun song, a run song. A cloud's gone, green lawn, raining is all done song. Swish, swish, swish. Swishy, swash, wish, wash. And do you know who's making that sound? Yes, you're right. It's from the dog's tail. Tickle, wiggle, wriggle, giggle. Hop, skip, back, flip, jump, thump, rump, bump. skip, flip, flop. I sing a little rain song, a mud song, a sun song, a clouds cry, mud pie, blue sky song. And there they are in the bathtub, the little girl and her dog. I'm sure they had a wonderful time splashing, splooshing in the mud.